if you're new to buying a double door fridge or you're buying after a long time. These are a few key things you need to be aware of that could increase or decrease the price of your fridge. First, the new BEE rating period has started from Jan 2026, but double door fridge brands don't seem to be showing any type of urgency to launch new models with the latest rating matrix, which are expected to be at least 3 to 5% more expensive. But you should know that in the case of fridges, the increase in star rating leads to a significant increase in pricing, which does not translate to that much saving in energy costs. I'll talk about this a little bit more later in the video. So look for the features as a priority over the star rating. So it is still okay to go for a lower star rating or the older rating period only from a cost to value point of view. Convertible fridges are becoming the norm, whether we want it or not. In this mode, you can convert the freezer area into the fridge area in case you want more cooling space. For example, when you're hosting people. These are generally more expensive and, per my understanding, not used by majority of people. Next, bottom freezer refrigerators are increasing. Having the freezer at the bottom means that we don't have to bend too much, as most of our frequently used items are at eye level. These are, however, a little bit more expensive than top freezer fridges of similar sizes. I've researched over 105 double door fridges available in the market today to help you shortlist the best ones for your needs. So let me walk you through a step-by-step process of shortlisting your double door fridge. The first aspect is what size to buy. Because a double door fridge is used for a long time, when deciding on the size of the fridge, plan for your family size and cooking patterns into the future, say about 8 to 10 years. If you go too small, you'll need to change sooner than you want. And if you go too large, you are wasting precious real estate in your kitchen. The 300 to 400 liter size is the most common size in double door fridges and is ideal for compact families of 3 to 4 people, and you can future-proof your purchase if you are currently a small family. Above 500 liters, if you have the space, it is better to go for side-by-side fridges, which will have more options for you. That said, if your cooking patterns are such that you would meal prep for the entire week or buy groceries in bulk, or you host people frequently at home, then you need a larger size fridge than the standard size that is recommended by the family size. Next, where the freezer location is. Most of us use the cooling or the fridge area more than the freezer area, whether it is for grabbing vegetables, spices or dairy. So it makes sense to have these commonly used items at eye level. That is why bottom freezer refrigerators are becoming more popular. But remember, they are a bit more expensive than top freezer refrigerators. Haier, Electrolux and recently LG have good bottom freezer options as well, if this layout appeals to you. All other double door fridges that I have compared are top freezer options. Next, most top freezer double door fridges split roughly 75% for cooling and 25% for freezing. Since most families in India use the cooling or the fridge area more, you should be aware that generally Bosch and Godrej have the highest cooling or fridge area, that is followed by Samsung, Haier and Whirlpool. Also, bottom freezer models generally provide more freezer space compared to the top freezer variants of similar sizes. So if you're someone who stores a lot of frozen food, this may work for you better. Haier gives the best fridge to freezer ratio. Next, let's talk about convertible fridges. Like I mentioned earlier, convertible fridges help to convert your entire freezer area into the fridge or cooling area. The idea here is that if we have a need to store items in the fridge or the cooling area for a short period of time, like when we are hosting people at home, it would be useful to convert the freezer into the fridge area. Honestly, I believe that a majority of us will never use convertible modes, especially if it is our only freezer. But whether we want it or not, almost all fridges above 300 liters are now convertible by default. In my opinion, convertible fridges would be better for side-by-side fridges and when multiple freezer doors are available. So you can keep at least one freezer zone but convert the rest of it into a fridge. If you're still interested in convertible fridges, only the double door fridges you see on the screen are convertible. About 50% of the fridges that I have compared are convertible fridges. Next, let's talk about energy efficiency. Most double door fridges are 2 or 3 star rated, with a few handful of fridges being 1 star rated. In the larger sizes, 400 liters and above, many fridges are only 1 star rated. Most double door fridges compared have inverter compressors, making them energy efficient. Now, the refactoring or the relabeling to the new rating period has not yet been done for most double door fridges. It is expected to be done around March to April timeline, which could effectively downgrade the rating by 1-star rating to meet the new standards. But the pricing for these new products will also be higher. But here's the thing, the price difference between a 2-star and a 3-star fridge is almost 1500 to 2000 rupees, and the annual energy savings is less than 300 rupees per year, which means it would take you over 5 years to recover that extra payment. My recommendation, in the case of refrigerators, choose based on the features and the configuration that work for you, not the star rating. The energy difference won't make or break your electricity bill. There are some features that are common across most fridges. Storage for large 2-liter bottles is there in almost all 300 plus liter fridges. The fresh or crisper drawer with humidity control is available by default these days. Adjustable toughened glass shelves are also available by default. The dairy compartment is there in almost all 300 plus liter fridges. Even if it is not there, you can achieve the same with simple organizers as well. Some differences are on smart connectivity and the availability of child lock. Only some Samsung and LG double door fridges have smart connectivity. The Samsung ones are the most advanced with remote temperature control, convertible mode setting and diagnostics. Most of the others are only for diagnostics. Only a handful of double door fridges that you see on the screen have the door lock feature, if you care for it. Generally, Whirlpool and IFB are two brands that have locks on many of their fridges. Water dispenser is an option only available in larger sizes, above 400 liters, and currently, the Samsung fridge that you see on the screen is the only suitable option. Now let's talk about warranty and overall satisfaction. Warranty is in general 1 year with 10 years on the compressor with some exceptions. IFB has 4 years warranty on the products and Samsung has 20 years on the inverter compressor. After going over hundreds of reviews of double door fridges, Samsung, LG and Whirlpool have the best product and service satisfaction, followed by Panasonic, Bosch, Haier, IFB, Godrej and the others. Now that we understand how to narrow down the right fridge for your needs, my guidance is to focus on the practical aspects to shortlist your fridge rather than the star rating, whether it is convertible or not, and other features. Pricing varies on the size, brand, and other factors we spoke about so far. Many of the recommendations also come in variations of larger sizes and smaller sizes, so you can consider those based on your preference. And I will recommend a bottom freezer option in each of the segments. So let's start with the 300 to 400 liter segment, which is ideal for medium-sized families. This is also the most common size suitable for growing families. Double door fridges in this segment are generally between 30 to 45,000. My first recommendation is the Samsung Bespoke AI convertible fridge. This is in the 330 liter size. It has a good 77% fridge to freezer ratio, so more room for fresh foods. If a smart fridge is on your wish list, then the Samsung Bespoke AI has to be it. It uses AI to learn your usage patterns and optimizes the compressor speed. It also allows to monitor energy consumption, change temperatures remotely, as well as receive alerts on your phone. For example, when the door is open. In my opinion, that's an overkill. But this is only a 2-star fridge. In my opinion, like I said earlier, is okay from an electricity savings point of view, as the energy consumed per year is only slightly higher than other 3-star fridges. Next is the LG Smart Choice 343 liter double door fridge. While LG says that this is good for families of 5 people or more, I believe this size is good enough for compact families up to 4 people. This is a 3-star convertible fridge. While LG has a mobile connect option, it is only for diagnosis. So it is not smart in its truest sense. Overall, a great essential fridge from a premium brand. Next is the Whirlpool 2-door 308 liter fridge. Whirlpool has 3-door variants too, with a separate drawer for fresh foods, but those are only available in sizes up to 300 liters. This model is a convertible 2-door variant, which can convert the freezer to fridge in 27 minutes. The stabilizer-free range of this fridge is 95 volts to 300 volts, which means it can operate well under lower voltage conditions as well. But if you have frequent fluctuations at your place, always add a stabilizer. Lastly, if a bottom freezer fridge is what you prefer, then the Haier 355 liter bottom freezer fridge is the right choice for you. Unlike most bottom freezer fridges, which have a lower fridge to freezer ratio, which means more freezer area, Haier does better with a fridge space of 270 liters. Haier has a triple inverter technology, so the compressor, fan and sensors are managed independently to manage the temperature better. So better and more precise cooling as well as efficiency. Now let's talk about the larger fridges, the 400 liter plus segment. These fridges are large, typically needing a width of about 2.5 feet and a depth of little less than 2.5 feet. Keep that in consideration when you're buying this size of fridge. If you have at least 3 feet in width, you can consider a side-by-side fridge instead. In this segment, I have 3 recommendations for you. The first 2 recommendations are larger sizes of the Samsung and LG models that I already recommended in the previous segment. So first is the Samsung Bespoke AI 419 liter double door fridge. This has deep shelves and wide door capable of holding multiple 2-liter bottles. It has a twin cooling technology to make sure that the freezer cooling does not affect the fresh food in the fridge, and also via the SmartThings app, Samsung is able to track usage, optimize and predict your electricity bill. You can also operate the fridge remotely. You can set convertible modes, set temperature and so on. Next is the LG Smart Choice 446 liter double door fridge. Like before, this is an essential double door fridge from a premium brand. LG has the door cooling technology, which helps for items on the door to cool faster and remain cool even after opening and closing the fridge multiple times. This can be a problem for many other fridges. As for the cons, there is only a 1-star fridge using 341 kilowatt for the year, almost 30% higher than other fridges in this size. Lastly, the Samsung 501 liter double door fridge. Now, this is not a bespoke AI fridge. It is only an essential fridge. So no Wi-Fi, no AI based efficiencies. The main attraction is the water dispenser. But again, this is a 1-star fridge with energy consumed almost 30% higher than other fridges of this size. I would recommend this fridge only if you need a large fridge with a water dispenser. Otherwise, go for a side-by-side fridge or a slightly smaller double door fridge, which I've already recommended earlier, which do have more features. Now, if you prefer a side-by-side fridge or a French door fridge, I have a separate video researching large fridges, which I will link over here. Now, let's come to the last segment, the 200 to 300 liter segment, which is ideal for small families of 1 to 2 people, or if you're on a budget under 30,000, or you use the fridge sparingly, not heavy loading. This is also the segment where you see options of both convertible and non-convertible fridges at a lower price point. My first recommendation here is the Godrej 223 liter double door fridge that you see on the screen. This has one of the best fridge to freezer ratios of 78%. So more space for fresh foods. This is a 6-in-1 convertible fridge if you need the option to convert your freezer to your fridge occasionally. The service network of Godrej is strong in tier 2 and tier 3 towns as well. Overall, this Godrej fridge gives flexibility on a budget. Next is the Whirlpool 235 liter triple door fridge that you see on the screen. Well, effectively, it is a double door fridge with one extra bottom drawer for fresh fruits and vegetables. This is useful for those who want to prevent odors from mixing between cooked foods and fresh foods. It also helps to retain cooling in individual sections. Whirlpool also has the zeolite technology, which absorbs the ethylene gas emitted by fruits and vegetables, which avoids them from over-ripening. But you should be aware that this does not have an inverter compressor. So it is not a convertible fridge, and the star rating of this fridge is not published as well. Next is the Samsung 236 liter double door fridge. This is available in both non-convertible and convertible options, which is currently only at 500 rupees extra. In this size, Samsung does not have a bespoke AI technology, which means no Wi-Fi or AI. These fridges have the Samsung digital inverter technology and optionally the 5-in-1 convertible option. These fridges also have the best fridge to freezer ratio, so more fridge area compared to others in a similar size. Samsung also gives the best warranty on the inverter. Similarly, LG has the convertible and the non-convertible option in the 242 liter sizes. Amongst those, I would recommend the non-convertible option here, which has door cooling for faster cooling of items on the door like milk and juices. It has a 3-star rating and smart diagnosis. You must be aware that a common complaint for LG fridges is the vertical distance between the shelves is less flexible for keeping large utensils. Next is the Bosch 243 liter double door fridge. This fridge has advanced insulation to make sure food that is frozen or in the fridge stays the same up to 18 hours during a power outage. It also has a super freeze option to make ice rapidly in 80 minutes. Still too long in my opinion. You must be aware that post-warranty spare parts are more expensive than other brands for Bosch. And lastly, if you prefer a bottom freezer fridge, I recommend the Haier 237 liter bottom freezer refrigerator. Haier also has this in the larger 300 300-liter size, but that is non-convertible. This one has an 8-in-1 convertible option, giving granular control over the temperatures of the fridge and the freezer. Freezer organization in these bottom freezer fridges are a bit restrictive, as the organizing in a drawer is more difficult than organizing shelves overall. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.